Salt Lake and La Crosse. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Michiana, Grand Beach, Waterford, Potawatomi Park, Michiana Shores, Otis, Union Pier, Turner Shores, Lakeside, Harbord.
Oh my God, we're gonna get
This line of
hammered.
severe thunderstorms has a history of producing widespread wind damage across the city of Chicago. This is an extremely dangerous situation. Go to a basement or small interior room.
Oh my God, that's ugly
Evacuate
looking.
mobile homes and seek shelter inside a sturdy structure. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service in northern Indiana. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. Valparaiso and surrounding communities. Severe thunderstorm watch number 625 has been issued until noon, or 1 o'clock p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Jasper, LaPorte, Lake, Newton, Porter, Pulaski, and Stark.
To get over this way, I can't get it all.
Or 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Pulaski and Stark. A heat advisory has been issued from noon until 7 o'clock p.m. for the following counties in Indiana, Jasper, and Newton. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Cook County in northeast Illinois, central Will County in northeast Illinois, northeastern Jasper County in northwest Indiana, Lake County in northwest Indiana, Porter County in northwest Indiana until 9:15 a.m. or 10:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time at 8:19 a.m.
Oh,
National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 12 miles east of Winthrop Harbor to 18 miles northeast of Kenilworth to 13 miles northeast of Montrose Harbor to Blue Island to 6 miles southeast of Manhattan and moving east at 65.
We're gonna get...
Locations impacted include Flossmoor, Dalton, Olympia Fields, Peatone, Park Forest, Burnham, University Park, Glenwood, Chicago Heights, Calumet City, Whitey,
Here comes the,
Hammond, Linwood, Chicago, Munster, Highland, Griffith, and Sherville. Severe thunderstorms
Shit, I'm gonna have to
produce
move.
damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour. Large hail, deadly...
Really high winds here in a second. Oh my God.
Cass County,
Yep, there went the power.
Michigan, Berrien County in southwest Michigan, Marshall County in north central Indiana, Lockwood County in northwest central Indiana, Hart County in
holy
north central
shit.
Indiana, Stark County in northwest Indiana until 11 o'clock a.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 10 o'clock a.m. At 8:37 a.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. These severe storms
along
the line extending from 21 miles northwest of Long Beach to 19 miles west of Michigan City to 30 miles west of Westville and moving east at 60 miles per hour. Locations in the path of severe thunderstorms include Trail Creek, Michigan City and Long Beach, Shorewood Tower Hill, New Buffalo and Westville, Bridgman, Stevensville and Fairplain.
There went that tree, I think, over there. I just saw a tree fall right over down there. I took down. I got it.
Thunderstorms include Michigan. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect for Lake, northeastern Jasper, and Porter counties in Indiana and southeastern Cook, east central Will counties in Illinois until 9:15 a.m. At 8:42 a.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along the line extending from 37 miles east of Winthrop Harbor to 32 miles north of Long Beach to 18 miles north of Long Beach to Portage to Beecher, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Chesterton, Lakes of the Four Seasons, Lincoln Hills, Valparaiso,
Okay. It's wind, holy crap. Wonder if it's gonna get worse. I don't see it letting up any over here. I know. Man. Damn it, I can't move now. Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna shut this off now. I can't. Oh shit. Okay, maybe it's letting up. Okay, jeez. Clouds are moving incredibly fast. Sheesh.